Today, I am going to show you how to make quick and easy mock-ups from this to this for free. Let's use the ceramic mug as an example. First, go to mockuptree.com. Then go to Product Mockups. Then choose Mug. Choose the mug that you want. For this tutorial, I am using this template. Scroll down and click Download. Then wait a few seconds for the download to be ready. Then hit Download. Check your downloaded file. Extract it, then open the PSD file. In the Layer portion of Photoshop, let's choose the first mug. To replace the design, double-click the image of the Paste Design layer. Replace it with your own image or design. Let's try to use this image I downloaded. Once you're done, save it and close this window. Then same procedure with the other mug. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe. It will also help us a lot. Now you have your mock-up. Thank you, and see you in our next video.